Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're looking at the Apple AirPods Charger for your car. I like seeing new and unique tech products, so when I was asked to check this out, I was intrigued to see how well this product works. It is a 3-in-1 charger with a unique selling point of being able to individually store and charge your Apple AirPods in your car. So here's the device itself. It has a metal finish top to it, silver edging, and it just has your usual 12-volt adapter at the bottom there. In the box you get the charger itself and a very small mini guide on how to learn all about the actual adapter and what it can basically do. There really isn't much to read about in this charger because everything is pretty obvious as to how well it works. It simply plugs into your 12-volt socket in the car, and you take each of your Apple AirPods and insert them into the molded charging points at the top of the charger. Once inserted, the status indicator begins to flash red to tell you that they're being charged. Charging the AirPods takes around 15 to 20 minutes, and the indicator light then turns green when they become fully charged. Personally, I would have liked to have seen 2 individual lights for charging indication of your left and right AirPod, because sometimes you're not always wearing both together and they might have different charging states. But there is a second LED in the center, but it just tells you that this is being powered. The charging ports on each AirPod are magnetic, so like the official case, you just simply insert them and they magnetize into the slot itself for each individual AirPod. The magnet strength doesn't feel as strong as the official case, but its strength is definitely enough to hold them in place and stop them from flying around in your car. Below the AirPod socket are 2 USB ports which carry 5 volts and 2.4 amps. They're not quick charge compatible or power delivery, but with 5 watts each, they definitely have enough to charge a dashcam, iPhone or Android device. Like me, you might be asking, what is the point of this product when you can just use your charging case for your Apple AirPods? It's definitely a niche product, but if you're watching this video, you might be one of the very few people that might be looking for a product such as this. Because fully charged AirPods can last 24 hours with the charging case, I can only see this charger being useful if you use your AirPods regularly and you need easy access to them and you find yourself in the car a lot, such as a taxi driver or a chauffeur. Sadly, when Apple evolves its AirPods and their form factor changes, this charger will begin to get outdated very quickly. For now, Apple still sells their cheaper AirPods, but that could soon change in the future. The entry sockets are molded specifically for the first generation AirPods, but they certainly do not work with the AirPods Pro. And the rumour is that the AirPods may be updated next year, and that could all soon change again. So bear that in mind if you're looking for a charger and you use the current first and second generation AirPods. Most AirPod chargers for the car charge through the AirPods case itself. So this AirPods charger is a unique product that not only creates a home for your AirPods in the car, it charges them too, whilst also being able to charge 2 other devices through the USB ports. Apple's AirPod Charger for the car retails for $15. For comparison, Apple's wireless charging case for the AirPods costs $79 or £79. So if you were to have a separate case in the car, or you are buying the wireless case for the first time to extend the battery life for these AirPods, this AirPods charger might be a decent and much cheaper alternative if you find you are using your AirPods regularly and you are charging them a lot in the car, basically. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If you have, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps us out, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.